to let this part out.
There are two methods. One is by click the button on the touchscreen, as just now. Another one is to adjust the motor behind of the machine, like this. Tighten it a little. That this should be the middle position of the capsule. It is not in the middle. Adjust these two screws and move them forward or backward according to the actual situation. Please look at this capsule. The part facing the outside is too much, so we turn the two screws here to adjust the position. It's okay now. This board should lower its position. Now we open the capsule dispensing, then turn on the switch. Let the capsule calm down. Click this button to clear data. That for capsule number 0, the value here should be adjusted to 6 because there are 6 in a row. For the capsule 00, the data need to be adjusted to 5 because there will be 5 in one row. Open the vacuum first. Open the capsule dispenser. One capsule ring is filled with 360 capsules in total, 6 rows and 60 capsules per row. Try to separate the capsules. It has a button to open the powder feeding, or click the powder feeding via touchscreen is also okay. Please pay attention to the directions. These pins need to be aligned well.